Awaman, ora tomorrow, why did he call you?
He called me because of you. You have to arrange a function like that. Mo arrange ta kami baka manala ko na Manila na hotel.
Ang function ni Rava?
Nakalipang pong girls, na cheer girls fire.
Oy, kasama din niya.
What
What time did he call you?
He called me yesterday.
Alam mo,
Alam mo, alam mo yesterday. Ito ba yun? Ito pa na.
O di na kapto na, o di talaga ka na outfit ng gori.
Pura ka makangan, gusto lang ang festival.
Min, but it's nice.
Kada di mo, na mo, libis ko sa.
Then, I thought, no, because I thought when he called you, I thought you were the one who was supposed to...
Kaya nga, pinakatako, mo arrange ta ka baka mo dining ta na that outfit for those girls. Because, ito nalako ni kya, nanggalila ko kya, ito binakata na outfit ya, may wipostolim na kabirito nilabo. Kung nilabo ko sa bangat ako ko na matinto na ngayon na birang buka.
Yo, mahen man.
You want mahen, first time.
Yo, mahen, orto Rosie, orto, yeah. Did they go for the funeral? Rosie and Shirley.
All of them. Rosie's mother went there, grandmother went there, all of them went to...
Where was it held?
Grandmother took it to our family.
Where was it held?
At our church. Downstairs.
Yeah, Michelle. Ik zei maar dan singo Michelle, si somebody be so talent.
Somebody be so talent, you could have that.
Mr. Di Mera.
Elsa, Andy Kauniledua. Andy Kauniledua.
Andi ba?
Andy Kauniledua.
Nasa ba na kinabal-bal ya?
I just mean that I'm a very respected woman.
Kila, you should have worn like this red. We should have worn, instead of that green, you should have worn something black at the bottom. No, Miss Tulira. It'll be much nicer.
Jadi main susah, masalah.
Masalah
curang ngono.
Masalah kiri.
Masalah curang ngono sih.
Yo, awal.
Apa itu dulu?
Oleh lo sari.
Oh, itu kira sih. Cuma Saint Christopher.
What do you mean?
Itu cuma home.
Ha?
Kalau lebih kuat. Itu cuma home. Saint Christopher.
Dapat kau ko.
Sekarang kau nak. Oh, kau nak dia kita kelas church.
Michelle, sometimes I want to take you home with me to my room. So leave it alone. I go and meet my sisters.
What you go to the church?
Huh?
What the church?
Ordo chinelo zala.
Ordo kizi?
Ordo chinelo zala.
Ordo kizi chigoi.
Huh? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook?
What did I say?
Andi Latua something.
Andi Kauniledua.
Andi Kauniledua. What does that mean?
Hai, ni ayaw na marama ko na ito ko video.
Pareho na ka ng outfit, Leo.
Thank you,
Ikaw na mong Becky.
Ko.
Nakakasama ka.
What is the old one?
Do you like wearing black outfit?
I like it. I really like it. Because I will meet on the vehicle because you should outfit the thing and in a position to regret yourself. Nilabay mo gusto mo may.
Ode.
Wait, gusto mo may bertuno mo ka. Baka mo sa din mo mazon to biya kani. Ila ko nga may muna chiko may kin but kaya taon sa mo may. Kaya sa nga nalito ko niko. Ang lawan nalito ko.
You're now kay Rambuka or Toratumar?
Ordo kaya to kasi na to nalito ko niko. But hindi ko taon to na sa ba. Wala hindi ka lutuma. Hindi na sa ba.
O hindi ka kata to. Kaya mo ko timido ng review. Nawawag ito wango. Kaya manala. Nasindo awag ito wango.
Kung ano, catch ko na dito. Because if you think to get on my message, how you gonna get on? Ito pala to.
I know. My friends tell me that they
Ito na sama, eh?
Huh?
Matam ko yung kasiliyaw.
O sama.
Maria.
Maria.
Maria Namara.
Okay naman dole dito.
Ito na, sika pa.
O
Kasi
iko.
wala yung tipo ng mother.
O din kasi taon dua.
Mayroon, ito pa, kasi nang ko
Yo iko. Nababagtak to.
Kata di ba na naman chiko? Nakatumit ko mo kakunin mo lang sapo.
When did he call
Eh,
you?
nagali sa libro kung dati kinibo ang Tony Pola. Baka kinto sa lesa kana kinang ko na. Eh, sa libro ko na saya.
And when did he
Yeah.
call you?
Today, because na kaya nila kay kumain. Andi kay luto mabaya.
What time? What time?
Makasama andi kam lang doon.
Komendo man nga nung tangan ng nilaw.
Ito lang doon.
Ha?
Doon twin sa
Hindi komendo ng tangan nilaw, Leo.
Kwa mana pwede ko rin, no?
Example, who do take each one of you? Really?
Kwa kachimono ko vya, yung dantakan nila, berkachimono, berkachimono ko. Salat mo pa na patilwa. Ikaw ko men ko na na silitar ng para makachimono. I was very useful. If it's not, I would have missed it.
Como approach mine?
Approach the queue, my way, can no.
Sabe qual que eu vi?
Edward Mara Adid.
Edward Mara?
Adid. It's a quick
one. You come to see virgin?
Of course, you're a virgin. I have to. I said it was a lot.
I have to give you a